Hello there, Mike Gish, MarineMax, Maryland. Today, I'm on a 2020 Scout 255 Dorado. Gotta love the profile of the Scouts. This boat we did in the Rascal Blue really looks sharp on the water. Starting at the transom, we have the twin Yamaha 150 XCAs. Smooth, 4-stroke power, very smooth, efficient, quiet. Really a great package for this boat in terms of performance and efficiencies. As you walk through the walk-through transom, you can see we have the flip-down seat down here. This does fold away if you're going to do some fishing back here. You have your rod holders, bait well, really everything you need if you do want to spend the afternoon catching the big one. If you don't, if you're hanging out with the family, fold down the seat, bench, recliner. Great place to hang out and spend the afternoon as well. We have the table up today on this one. Really gives you a nice complement to the hanging out family afternoon on the water. Set up a nice spread here. As you move forward behind the helm seat, you got the slide out Yeti cooler, nice cutting board area, and a freshwater rinse down sink. As we move forward towards the helm, you can see we have the nice hard top grab rail up here. You know, Scout real sturdy, quality construction. We did opt for the JL audio speakers on the other side, really able to crank up the tunes a little bit. Moving forward to the helm, we get some nice double wide seats. Both are going to have the flip up bolster on them. Again, XCAs, that gives you the electronic connection, real smooth, easy to use, simple. Flush mount Garmin GPS screen, that is the 9-inch screen. All your motor information's integrated into there, as well as your GPS and depth sounder. As we keep moving forward here, 255, you are going to get ahead. Has a sink inside of there as well. Great place for storage if you're not using it as a head. Moving forward, one of the best places on this boat is the bow. Large bow seating area. Drop down, you feel like you're really down inside of the boat. Flip down cushions. And of course you're going to have some nice storage underneath here as well. Integrated cup holders. Windlass. Really everything you need for a great day on the water. Mike Gish with MarineMax Maryland. Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, or YouTube. Give us a phone call. I'd love to get you in and get you on the water.